Welcome to my channel 0 Degree Team House. Today I am going to show you how to how to add a file in Excel sheet. I mean Hyperlink. So this file we are going to show in Hyperlink. So how can we add this file in a Hyperlink in Excel file? So first we need to go to the Excel sheet. Then just click which box you want to add, then just click insert, then click hyperlink, then you go to the site where you are which file you want to select. Just I am going to the file in just going at the file and just going in the E, and now we are going to the new folder and then going to yarn composition. Okay, then just click OK. Then you see this file already here. If we are in this, then you can see this file is here added. So I think friend you can also do the same, so that you also add this file by hyperlink. So this will be good for everyone. So I think it will be benefited for all. One more thing, if we just change, if we do the things like we are writing here the 7 gauge file, just change 7 and just save and go to this file again. From this here you see also this file also change, that means link also here. So you can also add link or write, rewrite, edit when you also add by hyperlink in Excel file. So I think friend it will be benefited for one. You also can do that same format, same thing, another file also. Thank you so much. Thank you again, and don't forget to subscribe my channel 0 Degree Team House. Thank you.